That was like right there. Now look at them now. That's a little one. That's a little black one. And that's another one over there, small one. And that's another one over there hiding from me. So here's the rabbit family. They're big, they're growing up. Oh my god, you gotta be careful. But something seems to be wrong with one of them eyes. Oh, everyone doesn't come out perfect. We come out unique. But this one is over here hiding from me. Okay. Just eating. I think I'm gonna pet him. I heard that he's a friendly one. Oh, see, he allows me to pet him. The other ones are gonna run. Oh my god, and he comes closer. Oh, well, he ran away. See if I do it. Oh, I'm afraid of the big ones. You know, like, I feel like they're gonna be, come! Come! Gotcha! Then you have a little layer down there that gives us egg every morning. Let's call her Mercy. She's getting her water. Mercy, don't come out, Mercy! Let's go next door. Let's see who's next door. Next door. Mercy got neighbors going up. Getting her water too. So they're growing up nice and healthy. Brown rabbit, white rabbit, black rabbit. Alright, so have a good day. I'll keep you tuned to see how fast these rabbits grow.